Good evening, everybody. This is Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy. I'm bringing you a winter weather update. We have the potential for two systems coming in this week, sort of back to back. So, and they're going to come in within the next, the first one within the next 36 hours, the other one in the next 90 hours. So it's kind of like, back to back. And so I just want to be on top of it. Um, this one is for Thursday, Wednesday night into early Thursday. This is a sort of an elongated system that's ejected from the Gulf. And it's a quick wave. It's just like, it's literally like a flash wave, like a flash mob. It just shows up, it's just like, ooh. Um, the potential is there for a quick hit, mostly for most of the state, it would be, but because when it would hit and temperature wise, it's going to be cold, but not as cold as it was last week. So there's the potential there for a quick hitting. I would say no more than 2 inches for most of the northern part of the state, and I would say that middle Delaware to the southern portion of the state would be kind of a mixed bag, and maybe a coating to an inch down here. But we'll just have to wait. There's another day coming, so I'll have a better grasp of it by tomorrow. The second one, it could bring with it some substantial snow, but it wouldn't be on the size of last week's system, but it would certainly bring a lot more than 2 inches. So we have to watch this one, but afternoon models and guidance come out, and I believe this is correct that the low actually forms further south and east. So that would mean barely a glance hit down here in southern Delaware, and then on the Delmarva Peninsula, and then more on like Virginia Beach area. So again, we'll just have to. It's not totally discounted because that first wave, this second wave is predicated on what the first wave does. So we'll just have to wait and see how everything comes together. But two potentials, one on Thursday, Wednesday night into Thursday, and then a coastal system. That would be Friday night into Saturday. And if it hits Friday night, it's going to be plenty cold. So we don't have to worry about precipitation type because it would be all snow. Again, just a matter of strength, intensity, and then how far north does it push north and give us a little bit more out of it, or does it stay suppressed and move out? Depends on how this high interacts with it. Now, if this kind of like opposites attract, if this high was in this position last weekend, we would have gotten waffled. So now the high is in the perfect spot, but it could suppress this second system if it develops further south. If it develops a little further north, right here would be just fine and perfect, right off of Hatteras, and Cape Hatteras is a beautiful spot for the southeast, for the big cities of the 95. So we'll just have to wait and see, and more updates as the day goes on tomorrow. And send me your questions, and I'll get back to you. Brandon Doherty, Delaware, the guys, saying adios.